can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. We've had a very rough 7-day in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen Bitcoin drop to as low as $103,000. Bitcoin currently trade above $110,000. Ethereum is still hanging on to the $4,000 level. We'll take a look at the general altcoin market. Should we be expecting a pump over the next 7 days? What's the fate of the market? We saw the biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. More than $19 billion was liquidated from traders. More liquidations should be expected over the next few days. We'll look at altcoin season index, the fear and greed index. We'll also look at news going around the cryptocurrency market. How bullish are market participants? How bearish is the market? Are we in a bubble? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen altcoins dumping. The last 1 week has seen altcoins consolidating after the biggest crash we had in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at the total altcoin market, excluding Bitcoin, we saw a huge crash on the 10th of October 2025, but the market bounced, and then we saw the rest of the week market going sideways. We had a pullback, but luckily for us, we didn't set new lows, which is good news, which means we saw buyers coming, which means the market is ready to go to higher prices. But don't get carried away, guys. The bull market has been long. The bull market has been boring. This cycle has been cooked. Market participants have been chopped up front, left, and center, waiting for altcoin season, waiting for our favorite altcoins to pump. We saw Zcash also rallying into the pump on the 6th of October. More quickly, things can change in the cryptocurrency market. On the 6th of October, we are singing Kumbaya, we are going to the moon, Bitcoin new all-time highs, total crypto market cap new all-time highs. On the 10th of October, the biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. And something important happened over the weekend. We saw Bitcoin setting new lows without the altcoin market setting new lows. For Bitcoin, it went from as high as $126,000 where it was trading in October of 2025. We saw Bitcoin dumping to as low as $103,000. That's where it got to on the 17th of October 2025. I strongly believe, guys, we're in the last leg of the bull market. I strongly believe from now to the end of the market, we'll see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. You have to think about the market in terms of who is profiting. The biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market happened, and that means a lot of market participants got liquidated. But if you inverse that, it means a lot of market participants were caught offside using excessive leverage. So right now they have been liquidated. I asked myself the $1,000,000 question: who bought their positions? Why are we not dumping to zero? And I came to the conclusion that the weak hands have been flushed out of the market. Market participants that were engendering the system have been flushed out. You have to look at it again from another world view, that if all the $19 billion was still in the market, that's $19 billion and 1.6 million traders waiting for the market to pump to the moon. That will be very, very heavy for the market. Right now, the market has shedded that weight, and we are ready to refuel to higher prices. But then, what is higher prices? Can Bitcoin still set new all-time highs? Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $126,000. Can we set new all-time highs for Bitcoin? I'm very, very skeptical on that. I'm not putting a whole hope on Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs. I believe what we saw in October was Bitcoin giving us an uptrust after distribution. There was clear signs that Bitcoin might be topping. Then there was bearish divergence on the RSI for Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Right now, we're expecting Bitcoin to have a retracement rally. Maybe we go back to $120,000. Maybe we set new all-time highs. But one thing is sure, the risk to reward on Bitcoin has dramatically reduced. A lot of the altcoin market is going to outperform Bitcoin. If you look at Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, it dumped to as low as $3,400. That was on the 10th of October 2025. But over the weekend, when Bitcoin went below the 10th of October liquidation price, we saw Ethereum holding steadfast. Ethereum only dumped to as low as $3,600, and right now Ethereum is back above the $4,000 level. For Ethereum, I was expecting to set new highs. I expect Ethereum to rally past the $4,955 level. That's the highest price we've seen Ethereum in this cycle. But then I believe a lot of market participants will be caught offside. Assuming Ethereum rallies past $5,000, that's a huge assumption. Maybe we even get to as high as $6,000 from where we're currently trading. That requires Ethereum pumping by around 48%. Crazier things have happened in the cryptocurrency market. You never want to say never. In the final phase of the market cycle is where most of the gains are made, and historically, one telltale sign that we've gotten to the end of the cycle is when we see Ethereum making new highs with Bitcoin failing to set new highs. If you see that happening to that crypto market cap also making new highs without Bitcoin making new all-time highs, you see Ethereum making new all-time highs. Without Bitcoin making new all-time highs, and you see Bitcoin dominance dumping, if all these factors come together to align, it may be a telltale sign that the end of the rally is near. I will not be shocked, guys, if we see similar reactions to what we saw in 2017 for the total crypto market cap. We saw Bitcoin topping, there was a little dip in the market, and for the next 30 days, the altcoin market took over. Let's watch out for what the altcoin market will do over the next 30 days. If you look at the total crypto market cap, which currently sits around the $3.69 trillion level, total crypto market cap has gotten to as high as $4.27 trillion. In the coming days and coming weeks, I'll be expecting the altcoin market to take over. I'm expecting to that crypto market cap to get to new all-time highs. I assume when we get to new all-time highs, there will be extreme greed back in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants will be excited. A lot of market participants that got liquidated or got further out of the market right now, I assume they'll be buying back at higher prices. You have to see the market, guys, in terms of campaign. You have to see the market in a long-term view. Market participants that were liquidated on the 10th of October, some of them will leave the market, some of them are holding cash, some of them got scared out of the market. What will make them put their money back into the market? It's not the market going down to lower prices. They are obviously going to run away, but the market going back to higher prices will reinforce the belief that they were right originally and they just need to take more risks. But be careful out there, guys. I always tell you, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher you go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency markets. Even though prices are high, Bitcoin above $100,000, Ethereum above $4,000, but market participants are scared. That's to tell you how market participants are already used to higher prices. Don't be shocked, guys, if the blow off top is coming in very soon. Historically, when the Fed start cutting rate, it means there's trouble in paradise. When the Fed start cutting rate, it means in the nearest future, we are going to see a big dump to Goblin Town. October 6th, we had all-time highs. Everything was nice. Everything was kumbaya. Bitcoin is pumping to the moon. On the 10th of October, market participants start asking, is the cycle over? Are we in a bubble? Sometime in the nearest future, guys, at some point in time in the nearest future, I still expect Bitcoin dominance to dump. I'm one of the strongest believers in seeing Bitcoin dominance dump before the cycle comes to an end. I don't think this time is different. Market participants have always been known to take excessive risks at the end of a market cycle. So I picture Bitcoin dominance dumping. I still stand on that belief. See Bitcoin dominance going below the 57% return. Maybe we'll see Bitcoin dominance at some point in time getting to as low as 50%. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours, the weekend was not here, not there. We had a low liquidity weekend, but right now, starting the week on a very bright note, we have seen the market pumping to the upside. In the past 24 hours, more than 121,000 traders have still gotten liquidated. More than $442 million total sums of liquidation, with the largest liquidation order happening on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $12.28 million. The 10th of October is still the highest liquidation in crypto history. Market participants still believe it was the US tariff hike that caused that liquidation, but if you look at all other liquidations we had in crypto history, they have always been a reason. But it's just simple. A lot of market participants were taking too much risks and the market flushed them down. Let's look at Bitcoin's performance in the month of October. Market participants for the month of October were talking about how October is always the best month for Bitcoin. Q4, we're going to the moon. Right now, Bitcoin is down in the month of October. Earlier, we saw Bitcoin starting October on a very bright note. The first 6 days of October was legendary. Bitcoin went to new all-time highs. Bitcoin was actually up in the month of October, up by more than 8%. Right now, the trend has reversed. Bitcoin is down 4.45% in the month of October. And in Q4, Bitcoin is down 4.5%. Ethereum, on the other hand, also is down in the month of October. Ethereum is down bad by 2.66%. I would expect Bitcoin and Ethereum to finish the month on a very bright note. But remember, guys, the rally doesn't last forever. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The market has been pumping over the last 2 years. At some point in time, in the nearest future, it will all come crashing down. But before it all comes crashing down, we expect to see altcoin season. Right now, according to the altcoin season index, We're not yet in an altcoin season. We saw a little glimpse of altcoin season in September of 2025. But then market participants were still shocked because even though the index was saying we're in altcoin season, just few coins were pumping, just few tokens were accelerating to the upside. Right now, we're not in an altcoin season. The only way we'll get to an altcoin season is 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. That's the standard definition of an altcoin season. Expect to see more outperformance from the altcoin market in the coming days and the coming weeks. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is still fearful. We even saw extreme fear return to the cryptocurrency market over the weekend. Historically, the mantra is to buy when there's extreme fear and to sell when extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. And surely, at some point in time, the nearest future, we expect to see extreme greed returns. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still relatively unchanged. Bitcoin is still king of the market. Bitcoin's market cap sits above $2.2 trillion. Ethereum comes at number 2, trading above $4,000. BNB is still holding on to the fourth largest cryptocurrency in the market. You saw BNB taking over at number 3, but right now BNB sitting at number 4. Tether USDT is back to number 3. XRP at number 5. Solana, USDC, Tron, Dogecoin, and Cardano makes up the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. And we go and look at news stories going on in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are asking, is this a bubble? Bullish news stories, bearish news stories. There's no confirmed direction where we're heading to. But I believe, guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks, you're going to see more bullish stories coming out. You're going to see more talks about that was the dip to buy. And a lot of market participants will actually buy the dip. You have to look at it from the lens of somebody that has been in the market since November 2022. He has been buying Bitcoin at lower prices, buying altcoins, and right now he's fed up with altcoins. He's all into Bitcoin. That would be the perfect time for altcoins to pump to the moon. Don't be shocked if in the next few days you see a big blow off top in the altcoin market with altcoins pumping front, left, and center, because right now sentiment is all-time low on altcoins, and historically that's been when altcoins show their signs. That's when altcoins start going parabolic. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Which altcoins are you buying? Do you believe the market's in a bubble? Is the bear market on? Are we going to start dumping to Goblin Town, or you're still waiting for that big pump to the upside? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.